Scarecrow is still down. The dogs are still trying to help. Help him! Grab him! Grab hold of him! Grab hold of him and get him! Get him! Help him up! Get up! Get up, why don't you? Darn it, Jim, I'm a farmer, not a doctor. Get the paddles, Rogie. Get the paddles. We'll get him up. Come on, help Mommy. Farm dogs, ready to help. Anytime, anywhere, with anything. Come on, come help me get him up. Help me get him up. At the very least, they'll dig the hole deeper. Dig it deep so they won't fall again. Hurry. Good boy, Harpoo. Hunter and Rogie to save the day. Put him in there. Put him in there. Good boy. There. Will that hold him? I hope so. There. It needs to be deeper. There it is up. There it is. All right. You think that will hold? I don't know. It's holding for now, but not for long. We'll have to fix it better.